If you're getting this error code on the Epic Games Launcher and the error code says ISEO IHLE exit, and mostly this occurs when you try to download or install the game on the Epic Games Launcher. And many people face this issue on Fortnite. Now ensure that you follow these instructions very carefully. Now first, make sure to exit the Epic Games Launcher. So select here on the system tray, look for the Epic Games Launcher icon, which is this one. So right click on the icon, then select here exit. Now this will fully close the Epic Games Launcher. After closing, press Window plus R and then type here %localappdata%, then click OK. Now look for the Epic Games Launcher folder, scroll down to E, which is this one, open it, and then open the safety folder. You should see here the cache. So if you see more than one cache, make sure to delete all of the folders. But for me, it's only one, so make sure to delete this folder like this. This will delete this cache folder, which clears the cache for the Epic Games Launcher. After that, try to open the launcher and then try to restart the download to check if the problem is resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue despite clearing the cache, now try another fix here, which is try editing the Engine.ini file. Before doing anything, fully close the Epic Games Launcher. So come here on the system tray, right click on the Epic Games Launcher and then select here exit. This will fully close the Epic Games Launcher. After that, now press Window plus R. So press Window plus R and then type %localappdata%. So click open, which is okay. And then once it opens, now follow this directory here, which is find the Epic Games Launcher, safety, config, and then Windows Editor. So go to this folder here. Press Window plus R and then type %localappdata%, and then click OK. And then look for the Epic Games Launcher folder. This one, now open safety, and then open the config, and then you should see the Windows Editor, which should look like this. Now once it opens like this, now follow the instructions which has been written here. Now inside the Windows Editor, create a text file and name it Engine.ini. So if there isn't one, make sure to create a file that is called Engine.ini. So I'm going to this Windows Editor. As you can see, there is no Engine.ini file, so I'm going to create it by right clicking, then select here on new, and then make sure to choose on text document. Now make sure to open this text document. Now inside the text document, make sure to paste these lines here. Don't worry, all the instructions will be available on the description of this video. So paste this file here. Now after pasting, now what you need to do, you'll have to save. So you'll have to save as. So make sure to name it as this Engine. Just name it as Engine and then click save. Now also save, go to that folder for the Windows Editor. You should see this Engine text file. Make sure to edit it. So rename it by Engine.ini file, which is this one. Then click yes. So it will be named as Engine.ini file. So the instructions has been provided here. Press Window plus R and then type %localappdata% and then press enter. Go to the Windows Editor folder by following this directory here. Create a text file and name it Engine.ini. If there isn't one, there are already paste this into the Engine file. So I have to paste these lines inside the Engine file. So if I go to the Engine file, which will look like this, and if I open this Engine file and open it by Notepad, and you should see there are lines here. So if there are not any lines, make sure to copy them on the description, which will be like this. Copy, go to the Engine file, and then make sure to paste it like this. And then you click save. Now also click save. Now restart your PC, which is very important, and then click this restart. Then after restarting, try installing Fortnite or any game that you're facing issues and check if the problem is resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue, now disable the high resolution textures in the Fortnite options on the launcher. Now if you're still experiencing the same issue despite disabling the high resolution textures in the Fortnite options or any game on the launcher, now try another step here. Completely close the Epic Games Launcher by come here on the system tray, look for the Epic Games Launcher, and then make sure to select here exit. So select and then click exit to fully close down the Epic Games Launcher. Now go to C and then program files, Epic Games. So press Window plus E. Now go to C and then program files. Now look for the Epic Games. Open the Epic Games. Now look for the game that you're facing issues.
Now, for example, let's say you see here Fortnite or Rocket League, just any game that you're facing issues. Select the game that you're facing issues, right click on it, and then go to properties, select on security. Now scroll down, select on users, which you'll see here your username, and then you should see here permission. Now, if you don't see full control as checked or it's not allowed, make sure to click edit and make sure to provide full control by clicking here on allow. But for me, I have the full control for my users. But for you, if you don't have full control, click edit, select full control, and then click apply to save changes, click OK. Try to reopen the Epic Games Launcher and check if the problem is resolved. Now, if you're still experiencing the same issue, you can use Cloudflare WAP. Just download and install Cloudflare WAP VPN and enable it before launching Valorant. And enable it before launching the game that you're facing issues. So you can go to this 1.1.1. I'll put the link on the description. Then download for your PC or any device that you're using. Then make sure to install the Cloudflare WAP. After installing the Cloudflare WAP, come here on the system tray. You should see this. Simply tag on to start writing connecting. And then it's connected. Once it's connected, try to open the Epic Games Launcher and check if the problem is fixed. If you're still experiencing the same issue, now another fix that has worked for many people is simply to keep clicking resume until the installation is complete. Start the installation, and when the error appears after reaching around 10% progress, click resume to continue from where it left off. Keep clicking resume whenever the error occurs until the installation reaches 100%. So try all these steps, and if it fails, you can try the last one. This has helped many people. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.